We're here in Bangkok. Back to reality. I'm so hungry, Abby. Yeah. Me too. Abby nahulog yung shorts ko. Are we really back in Bangkok?
What?
Are we really back in Bangkok?
Yes.
Or our hearts are left in Samui?
Yes.
We're now heading to the baggage claim area to get our bag, and then we're just gonna have some lunch because we're so hungry. This gives so much memories. It's been so long since I've been in this arrival area. Kakamiss. It's good to be back. There's our bag. Let's go. Hindi na ako. Success. Oh no, Burger King and Bonchon are closed. Well, the rest of the shops are open. I wonder what happened to them. We're looking for a place to eat. Hubbie's there. Looks like we're going to get S&P. Let's see what they have. Okay, not that. I'm allergic to seafood. Breakfast, it's not breakfast. Appetizer, I don't need an appetizer. Maybe the masaman. Masaman is good also. Rice, typical Thai food. Japanese. Maybe this. Or again, seafood, no. This is my favorite. Khao Soi. Maybe I'll get this one. What are you having?
This one.
You know,
This one? Ano sa'yo?
yan yan.
Two.
Can I get this? Can you make it not spicy?
Not spicy. Spicy already. Okay, a little bit.
A few minutes later.
This one's spicy. It's
Little bit also.
Kasi nga, sa sabaw na nila yan. Ito na sa'yo.
Can I change only this? One Khao Soi and one this. So Bangkok Airways, they said they don't serve food, so they just give this to each one. Today we got a chicken, ham, mushroom puff. Then it also has a sweet purple potato bun and water, and that's about it. Here's the food of Hubbee. This is Khao Soi with beef. It's my favorite northern Thailand food. But S&P has its own version. It's different from Chiang Mai's version, but it's okay. Unfortunately, I cannot eat anything too spicy because it might trigger bleeding. I got my food. It's so a little bland. It's not enticing. It's okay, let's see the taste.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So we're going to gate 7 now because it seems they changed the process. You need to go to gate 7 to get your grab car. So this is the arrival area. Look, international arrival also. This used to be so busy and crowded. A lot of shops are been closed. Look, the busiest airport in Thailand looks like a mall now with less people. So weird. This is gate 7. We're heading out now. Nalaglag yung shorts. Okay, gonna look for a grab. Look, this used to be so busy. So sad. Tadan! Before, pahirapan mag-park yung mga cars, yung mga nagpipick up. Always crowded.
Grabe nung wala katao-tao na.
There's our Grab. Ay, hindi yan.
Kumusta pakiramdam mo?
Painful.
Ha?
Painful.
Ah, kala ko thankful.
Sakit. I think I'm really ready for the operation tomorrow.
Yeah, you should be. Anong plate number natin? 236.
Saan maglakad?
Hello, wait lang. Yan pa lang anong itsura.
Don't take a video, Hubbee.
Ay, sorry. Mga
ASQ.
Oo. Na, dyan sila siguro na.
Tadan!
Ah, yun o, nakalagay. ASQ, LQ.
Hubbee, ayun no?
Ay,
Laki-laki.
di ko kasi nakita. Ayun o, nakabit sila. Naka-PTA unit lang. Yun patawag ko.
How's your bangs?
I'm gonna fix my hair.
There's our Grab after 25 years.
Thank you.
Going home. It's quite ironic because we're taking a familiar road where you used to take this route before all the time, and then suddenly you never had a chance to take this road again, and now you're back at it. There's some sadness into it because you see how the pandemic has really disrupted a lot of things. Welcome home, sir.
Welcome home. Me. Everyone.
Ah, free.
So, naiyak may partner. Para saan to?
Gulay.
Salad? Tapos salad.
Ah, salad.
Ah. And this is for you.
Oh, forgot.
Open the door, please.
Wow. Yes, sir. Ito na. We're home. Home sweet home. Home where the
Heart is.
Hubbee is. Hello, Bangkok!
Wala kasing palmolive dito. So, nakita ko sa Lazada meron.
Why do you like Palmolive?
Mabango. It's the...
Ta-da!
Ah, ang ganda mo.
How many did you
Ah,
order?
ang ganda ng ano.
2?
Yes.
Open it. Open it. Open it.
Meron pala talaga dito sa Lazada.
Do you think that's original?
Alamang it's from ano, Colgate Palmolive.
Where?
Sender from Colgate Palmolive. Lang bango, ito nga. Hala. Ito yung gusto ko. I love it.
Why you don't like the shampoos here in Thailand?
I don't know. Something.
It makes you kalbo.
Yes.
Is it the shampoo or is it the person?
The water.
The water.
Oo, promise.
Sorry, water.
Sabi na ng Pinoy dito.
You've been blamed
Ang tubig ng
by
Bangkok,
Mr. William Cuyos.
No, sarap. Ang sarap, ang laki mo. Kaya nga may ano eh. Ang hilig nila dito sa mga anong pangpa. Tonic-tonic lang po.
Tonic versus tunic. Whenever we're back from our travel, Hubbee is always excited to. What do you want to do every time?
Laba.
He takes care of the laundry. That's the first thing he do.
A few minutes later.
More
More,
labahin.
but
But
dinner time. It's already. What time is it? 9 p.m. Hubby just ordered. He has no time to cook. He's so busy. And he said he's so
tired.
narinig niyo yun. Okay, bye. Hubby's preparing for his work tomorrow. This is our usual Sunday. We just watch some vlogs. Good morning. Today's my operation. I think I'm ready, but I'm not gonna lie. I have some worries. I have questions in my head. Will this solve the problem? Will I get better now? Because the last two operations didn't give me that. I was asked by the hospital or by the doctor or nurses. So they called me yesterday. I actually called them. I was told to start fasting at 10:30 a.m. It's 9:30 in the morning. I intended to wake up a little late today. I did some emails last night until 2:30 a.m. so I can adjust my body clock. So I can wake up a little late so that if I'm going to have a breakfast, it will be close to 10:30. No food, no water allowed, probably by 4 p.m. When hubby is here, we'll go to the hospital because my operation is at 4:30 p.m. Hoping for the best. And I will update you what's going to be the result of the operation. Hopefully, Lord, I hope this is it. On my table, I have this. This is not yogurt. This is egg sandwich. Sometimes I'll make lambing and ask him to do this. What's this? I also have this. This is actually a croissant, chocolate croissant from the hotel. We loved it. So we took a few pieces and we asked the hotel if we can bring it to our room, and we did. But we totally forgot. I went straight to bed, he went straight to the gym, and then we forgot that we still have this. And so we just brought it back here in Bangkok. What? Still good. I have my peach tea. This is my favorite recently. I love peach. I know not everyone likes peach. I like peach. Lychee, peach. Lychee flavor, peach flavor. Good. While preparing this, I realized in 11 years of being together, Hubby and me, yes, we've been together for 11 years. I've always had the highest and the lowest points, and then him, he was in the middle. So maybe that's why we're soulmates. That's why we're meant for each other. Balance it. I don't know. Some theory. To be honest, this vlogging has really been helping me. I can finally say things I wanted to say. You know, it's funny sometimes, even when I'm taking a bath or just sitting around or doing something or eating, my mind creates an automatic Facebook post. Like it's really drafting what I wanted to say. I don't write it, I don't post it. Sometimes the things that I think are dangerous to write on a social media platform. I don't have a venue for that. I wanted to let it out, but it's back. Anyways, okay, so I'm just gonna finish my food. So I just peed. Ow. And it's been painful since last night. I don't know why. And my mind was like, okay, I'll bear with the pain. It's my operation today. No bleeding, but it's just painful on my right side. Remember when I mentioned that The remaining 20% of stones are still on the upper side. So maybe the reason why it's painful is because it started to go down. We'll know later. So I just got a call from the hospital and they want me to go there now. I don't know why. For pre-operation procedures maybe. So I'll prepare now. It's 12:40 and Hubbee is still at work. Still has class. So I'll probably go first and he will just follow. So this is it. I'm off to the hospital now. Just wearing my favorite pajama. I always bring that pajama everywhere I go. Travel, it just makes me very comfortable. This is what I'm just gonna bring for now. My wallet, my AirPod, and a book. I might be waiting there alone. I'm sure I'm gonna do some tests, so I need to bring something that would occupy. Okay, turn off myself. Okay. I'm here at the hospital now, but it seems like there's been some problem with my insurance. So I got to the hospital, thinking that everything is all set. So since there's a language barrier, they had to call a translator. So the translator was explaining to me that it's not confirmed yet by the insurance. So I panicked. It was really stressful.
Good luck on your operation.
Thank you.